In this video, we are looking at a milestone matchup, the brand new Michelin CrossClimate 3 Sport, launched in 2025, against Continental's proven all-season contact tool. This isn't just another tyre test, it's Continental's benchmark all-season going head-to-head with Michelin's bold new challenger. So who really deliver across wet, snow, dry, mileage, comfort and efficiency? Let's find out. Throughout the comparison, the performance metrics are shown in percentages, with the Continental All-Season Contact tool set as the reference point at 100%. These results are sourced from Autobut's 2025 All-Season Tyre Test. In wet braking, Continental stops 2.4 meters shorter than Michelin, a 5% advantage. In wet handling, Continental is also faster, averaging 74.7 km per hour versus Michelin's 71.4 km per hour, about 4% quicker. But Michelin edges ahead in aquaplaning, clearing water at 73 km per hour versus 72.5 km per hour for Continental, a minor 1% lead. Overall, Continental dominates wet braking and handling, while Michelin only claws back with aquaplaning. In snow braking, Continental stops 0.5 meters shorter, giving it a 2% edge. Snow traction is almost equal, with just a negligible difference. But in snow handling, Michelin strikes back, averaging 0.7 km per hour faster, about 1% better. This makes a very balanced battle, with Continental better in braking and Michelin sharper in handling. When it comes to mileage, Continental lasts about 2,100 km longer, a 4% advantage in tread life. However, Michelin only loses 213 grams less tread material in abrasion testing, a 23% improvement in durability. So Continental takes longevity, while Michelin shows stronger resistance to wear. In dry, Michelin shines. In dry braking, it stops 2.7 meters shorter, a 7% advantage over Continental. In dry handling, Continental edges back with 0.5 km per hour faster average speed, essentially equal overall. So Michelin is clear winner in dry braking. When it comes to exterior noise, Continental runs 0.7 decibel quieter, around 1% better. However, Michelin hits back big in rolling resistance, scoring 13% lower rolling resistance, which translates to better efficiency and fuel savings. When it comes to pricing, for the size 225/40 R18, Michelin is 26% more expensive than Continental. That's a significant premium to consider when evaluating the overall value. In summary, the Continental All-Season Contact tool impresses with strong wet and snow braking, longer mileage, quieter ride, and unbeatable value. On the other hand, Michelin's CrossClimate 3 Sport fights back with standout dry braking, lower rolling resistance, and sharper snow handling. Both are excellent, but when it comes to safety, longevity, and value for money, the Continental All-Season Contact tool takes the win here.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.